Alright, the potato plant, aptly named Jeff Red, is back in business in a bigger pot, and I think he'll be good for the duration in this pot. This will be his permanent home until he yields potatoes. So, pretty cool. What's up, what's up? Just out here taking some exercise at the park here. Want to get a walk in, and it's amazing. I'm sitting here walking, listening to this audiobook, and I just noticed right across the street, not that far from me, this just sitting right over here. Sitting right over here, just doing their thing, man. It's amazing. You know, you don't see stuff like that unless you look for it, you know? Unless it just hits you right in the face. Well, it's another sunny day in the great state of Ohio. Yes, sir. What are you doing, man? Put your tongue back in your mouth. What's wrong with you? Come on, young blood. Good boy. I'm at the park, guys. I was heading home from the library, and I just kind of stopped here. I caught a look at this river, and in case you can't tell, it is dangerously high. I'm gonna get out, and I'm just gonna take a look at this. I don't know if I've seen this high for a while, if ever. I guess we could call ourselves lucky because it actually stopped raining this morning. But this thing is so high right now. Let's get a little bit closer here. Not too close. Looks a little dangerous. Yeah, look at that. You guys can see that is a bench right there. Normally, you'd be able to sit on that bench. Not right now, though. Holy cow. Not right now. Yeah. Look at that. That is something. Woo! Lord of mercy. See that sign over there? That sign's not supposed to be in the water. Woo! It's dangerous. Look at this little dude trying to get across the water. Wow. Yeah, rock and roll, brother. Look at that. He made it. He's a heck of a swimmer. still see him, but he made it. Those benches. Goodness sakes. Woo! Man alive. What do you guys think of this water? It's awful high, isn't it? It was a lot of water, you know, a lot of water in a short amount of time that did this. It like rained like crazy yesterday. And crazy thing is, I hear it's supposed to snow tomorrow. So if it snows tomorrow, wow. If it snows tomorrow, that definitely won't help this river at all. See, this is crazy because like used to be, you could walk right down there. You could walk out there and you could see where the tree's at over there. You could walk out there. The river's supposed to be over there. The river's supposed to be over there, not all the way up here. You can see that tree line right over there. You see that line of trees. The river should be on the other side of those trees, not like flooded on past them. But as you can see, there's a embankment here, you know, and it was built because this river does this sometimes. So that's what it's here for, to protect the park. You can see there's an embankment all the way down, and that's the only thing that's kept this park from flooding. This whole park would be flooded if it wasn't for this embankment they built. Crazy. Pretty wild. It's cool to look at, but you know it's dangerous. Like when you're looking at it, you can just see that's danger, you know?
Safe location. If you have, as I mentioned, relatives up in London, tell them
here in Ohio, it's tornado season. So we get some pretty intense evenings sometimes.
That would be the prudent thing to do right now.
Not even dinner time yet.
Safe shelter. If you're outdoors, you need to get to a safe location and abandon that car. Get to a sturdy building if you can. Last-ditch effort. Usually, I would tell you to drive the car into the ditch, but with all the flooding we've had, that is not a good option.
Why does he say drive the car into the ditch?
So you probably have no real good options. Try to move away from the path of the storm. If you have that, is to get to that safe location.
It's scary times, but you get used to it. The main thing is you just don't panic. You be about your business and you just handle it. There's only so much you can do with a situation like this. As you guys can see, tornado watch still in effect tonight. Continues with more storms likely tonight.
was watching the news and the sky, and the sky just looked really bad. I was watching Channel 2, Channel 7. The wind was just blowing, and he kept saying right in this direction there was some bad storms coming. I was watching out the window, and I decided that I needed to get downstairs. Took the dogs downstairs.
You're lucky you did too, old boy.
And it's raining and blowing, and sat down there for a little bit, and all of a sudden, big loud banging noise. Really can't describe it.
I bet you wish you were in South Beach, Miami right now.
Sat there for a few minutes, and came upstairs and seen the barn was gone. Tree behind the house, and a few other odds and ends.
Daggone barn's gone.
These barns are kind of special, right? Tell me about the...
We bought the property off of Jack DeMett, Sandra DeMett. He told me a story in 1974.
Look at that.
Today in 74. The Xenia tornado came through, and he was outside working. There was a big bank barn, and he seen the funnel cloud coming through, and he decided that he ought to get in the house or the cellar. And it, just like today, it missed the house by about 100 feet and took the barns out. So these barns replaced the barn that it took out in 74.
Took it out again.
Took it out the same day. It's pretty incredible.
Daggone, man, that's wild. Took it out the same day. How is that possible? It's a weird coincidence. The new barns got taken out the same day in history that the old barns got taken out by a tornado. Man, that's weird. I mean, what are the odds? Continues until 1 a.m. So I'll be up until 1, just in case anything funny happens, so I can get everybody up. In case we gotta take cover for anything weird. But probably not, man. We'll probably be alright. But yeah, guys, that's what it is living in Ohio sometimes. You gotta worry about these storms, flooding, storms. It gets kind of crazy. We got stupid weather around here, especially in the spring and in the fall. We got stupid weather. And of course, you guys know in the winter, it's not fun. Summers are pretty good, but other than that, it's crazy. I've actually been through a tornado. I just got my license. I was about 18 at the time. This was before I joined the Navy. I was coming home from my buddy's house on a back road, and the rain started up, and then very, very quickly it got really bad, and very, very quickly I couldn't even see in front of the car. I was driving a 76 Nova, so I pulled off into this little VFW on the side there, and I parked it. And I remember very clearly seeing a tool shed in front of me and a tree in front of me. And within minutes, man, of being parked there, my car started shaking. I mean, violently shaking, like it was getting ready to be lifted up off the ground. I could have swore to you my car was getting ready to be dragged across the driveway. And I saw right in front of me, I saw a tree just get ripped out of the ground and smash into that tool shed. And I felt like I couldn't get out of the car because I felt like if I would have gotten out of the car, it would have ripped the door off. But as soon as it came, it was gone. Then I got out of the car. There was a car right next to me, and there was a lady in that car crying and tears. And I knocked on her window. She unlocked her door. I got in the car with her. I said, "Are you okay?" And she's like, "Yeah." And I was like, "Do you think, man, I wish we could get into that building right there." This is 95, But this is before the time of cell phones, But she's like, "Well, I got a key. I got a key to get in there." I was like, "You do? Well, let's get in there. Maybe we can use the phone." She had a key to get in there, but she was too terrified to get out of her car. So anyway, we got in there. I called home. She called home. And then we ended up leaving. I ended up heading on back to the house. Figured out later that a tornado had touched down in the field right across from where we were at. So that's what happened. It was crazy. But that was a violent situation. And ever since then, man, I've always taken these daggone tornadoes quite seriously and paid attention, because I know how fast they can come on, and I know what kind of damage they can do. They are absolute monsters. Anyways, thanks for hanging out with me today, you guys. Day 70 is a wrap. I'll see you guys tomorrow. Peace, everybody.